Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro Q videos, 164 tune cars, and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have another Choro Q complete set with box. This is a brand new old stock. I already uh, unpacked this morning guys to inspect the toy inside. So anyway guys, this is a Choro Q. I think it's a train. What do you think guys? Okay. As you can see guys, it's a 2007 released by uh, Tomy, Japan guys. But this one is made in China even though it's a Japan product. And it's a Choro Q guys. Choro Q. Okay. This one guys, I already researched the Google. It's Choro Q. And then this is what? Ekiben. Ekiben, and this one is Makunouchi. Makunouchi. That's the meaning of this Japanese characters guys. Okay. So I already researched also the Google. And this one guys, it's the Choro Q targa targa series guys. It's the Ekiben special Makunouchi. Okay? So, Makunouchi refers to a popular type of Japanese bento box often sold as Ekiben, featuring a variety of rice, fish, meat, pickles, egg, and vegetables. And is also known for its diverse and flavorful content, guys. And is also a traditional Japanese lunchbox. So what is Ekiben? I researched Ekiben. The Eki means train station guys. And the Ben is short for bento box or bento lunch box. Then the Makunouchi, I researched it. This is the meaning. Originally referred to bento eaten during intermissions in kabuki theater performance in the Edo period guys, in year 1603 to 1867. So anyway guys, I just bought this through a local shop. They offered me two of these. The one is the green and this one is the brown. Uh, the green is I think 2009 release, but this one is 2007 guys. So let's see inside guys. So guys, it's like a Japanese bento lunch box guys. Okay. As you can see this one guys, this is the rice side, and I think this is a side dish, and then this is the veggies, and this one is the meat guys, as you can see. And this one another, I don't have any idea guys. It's variety of veggies, fish, meat, So it's like a takeout from 7-Eleven, guys, or in the what they call this vending machine. Full meal, guys. So as you can see, the train is detailed because they are targa edition, guys, and colorful, as you can see. Okay, so I already have these two train, guys, and these two, but I bought them loose. But this one, guys, is very much complete. It's a complete set in a bento lunch box, guys. Okay, they are all standard, guys. Okay, so anyway, guys, again, this is a Choro Q complete set. It's a 8-piece set, guys. Targa series train, produced in 2007. Okay, this box, guys, is the Ekiben special Makunouchi bento box Choro Q. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.